I practice my English every day. Hi everyone, good morning to you all. My name is Elias Kindo and welcome back to my 30-day English learning challenge. Today is day 6. Friends, today I want to talk why I practice my English every day. Friends, I have so many reasons for which I am practicing my English. But among them, I practice my English for my better communication skills, to learn this language properly. In earlier video also I have mentioned why I practice my English. Friends, I make many mistakes when I practice English. I fumble, I stuck, but I never quit. I don't stop because I know, I do believe that if I practice my English every day, step by step, I will learn it. But if I don't practice English, just make myself satisfied with this simple English, then it will not going to help me out. I am improving my English step by step. Sometimes I learn a new word, sometimes I learn some good sentences, and thus way I am practicing my English and learning things. But sometimes I feel, friends, sometimes I feel like I will just quit it because there is not possibility for me and there is no way to go ahead. I will never learn English. But when I watch my video, and sometimes I get motivation within myself because I have learned this language by myself. I gave good efforts and came up to this extent. So I have reached up to this extent, so I can go ahead also. Therefore I am trying my best. I am reading newspaper, watching other English videos, those are fluent, and try to imitate them, and sometimes I learn new lessons from them also. So I practice my English every day because of my improvement. I want to learn this language. If others can speak fluent English, why can't I also can learn this language. Only the thing is, I am not giving much importance of this language. So in this video I practice my English, and also I want to share one thing, that there is importance of English. I believe that if I practice English and if I overcome this fear, and if I can speak fluent English, then I can also be able to help others in education and other things, because English will help me in education and in other activities of my life. Therefore I will not quit this journey. I will go on practicing English. Since it is day 6, here I have mentioned you about my English journey, why I practice my English. Friends, this is a simple thing only. Just spend our valuable 10 or 5 minutes every day, but every day. Today if I practice and tomorrow I don't practice, then our tongue will forget how we are speaking. But one thing I learned here, before I was not before I was not pronouncing any word or letter properly, but now I think it is very much necessary. When we pronounce any word or any letter properly, then only it sounds more natural. So slowly, after practicing only, I realized this. Earlier I just was speaking simply, so I was not concentrating the sounds pronunciation, but it is matters a lot. When we pronounce any letter or word correctly and properly, then it sounds more natural. And when we watch your videos and see, you also feel good. So friends, if you are a beginner, please check your progress, like I am checking my English. I feel sometimes shy when I watch my video, because after having so much of qualification, graduate and master degree, I am not able to speak my English correctly. This is not my fault, but I am trying my best. But it depends of situation also. But one thing, all those are, if we see, that is an excuse also. If we depend on situation and and mm, and other things, then you will never, it will never come, that the expectation what I'm expecting, that will never achieved. Therefore, I am lucky enough, I am getting some times during the daytime, and I can practice my English. And though I am not teaching anywhere now, and there is no environment like that, I cannot talk with anybody now, but, I can have one tool, one thing where I can practice my English and correct my English by myself. So nowadays this smartphone is the best thing where we can use our talent. So it also helps us to correct our English. So there are some tools like AI tools and all. From there also we can correct our English. So I am trying my best. I am not editing anything, just normal video. I feel now it is time not to feel shy, not to bother anybody whether my English is wrong or incorrect, anything, but go on practicing English. I sometimes hardly can speak 5 minutes or 6 minutes. More than that I cannot, because I have very less vocabulary. Therefore, slowly and steadily, step by step, every day I am learning at least one word, new word. That is my next target. So friends, why I am practicing English, this is clear, that I want to just learn the English language properly, correctly, and naturally, like a native speaker. And when this dream will be fulfilled, then I can teach others also. Now I cannot teach because I know just basic English, but I can motivate you if you are beginner. We practice English, and also we can motivate others through our channel, so that they some or the other can motivate it. And in YouTube videos, I have seen many YouTube videos that many are learning this language, and many can achieve their target. Now they're speaking fluent English and they are happy in their life. So very good, those who are doing well done, and I really appreciate. I watch their videos also, I like them, I comment them, and they are really doing well. So I am also trying my best to grow in English. So friends, I want to request you, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, share, comment, so that I can get some benefit and I can get support. So today I spoke at least for 9 minutes. It is great for me, because earlier videos I have not spoke up to this extent, but now though I am stopping and not fluent, but I'm trying my best to speak little more long. I want to make more video. So thank you for watching this video. If there is any correction, please give me in comment section. I will be happy to see your comments. For next video, please take care. And one request you at the end, please do a small exercise in the morning, in the evening. Your health is wealth. If your health is well, everything is well. So this is my quotation, because I am doing my exercise evening and morning just for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. and I feel really energetic, happy, and I do my activities well. Thank you.